Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at a pair of truly wireless earbuds that I picked up on Amazon for $20 Canadian. Today we have the Umidigi Upods. Now I was browsing on Amazon for truly wireless earbuds and I stumbled upon these bad boys and I saw that they were on sale for $20 and said, you know what, might as well test them out to see how they are to let you guys know if you should buy them or not. So let's get straight into this review. Starting off with the unboxing. Honestly, I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised with the unboxing. For $20, I wasn't expecting much, but the box that it came in looked really premium. You open the box, you find some documents, and then you find the truly wireless earbuds themselves. A very small unboxing, but a very premium unboxing. Now moving on to the design of these truly wireless earbuds. When I picked them up, I saw that the case was all made out of plastic. Now, it's not the best plastic, it does feel pretty cheap. But one thing that I did find was opening this was a bit hard and unsatisfying. Usually when it comes to truly wireless earbuds, you want to be able to open the case fairly easily and have some feedback when you open it and close it, just to make it feel more secure and premium. The best way to describe it would be like opening a CD game. That clicking feeling of you having to open it is pretty much the same here. Now this case is charged via micro USB, which isn't something I like that much. I would have preferred to seen a USB Type-C option, but for $20 you get what you get. Now when we open the case, that's where we find the Upods themselves. And I have to say that they were very small in size and don't leave much of a footprint, which is something I personally really like when it comes to truly wireless earbuds, because I always hate having truly wireless earbuds that are big and bulky and just stand out when you have them in your ears. So these are very discreet and I give Umidigi props on that part. The earbuds themselves, they are also made out of plastic and they don't feel as durable as I would have liked them to be. They do feel a bit flimsy, especially with the side buttons. And with the side buttons, you have the option to play, pause, fast forward, rewind, as well as bring up your voice assistant on your phone, which is a nice touch to have for $20. Now on to the main part of this review. The sound quality. When it came to the sound quality, you know what? I'll honestly let TechBarn's cameraman give you a bit of insight on that.
Thanks, Edis at TechBarn. The sound quality, from my experience, was okay. They produce sound, and I am fairly particular with my sound, though I am no means a professional, but I do like my flat sound signatures, and these did not produce a flat sound. Obviously, these are fairly warm, and when I mean warm, I mean humid in a okay way. To visualize this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I would balance these for a more balanced sound signature on Spotify's equalizer. So here we are at Spotify's equalizer. And basically what I would do is I would just brighten it up because it was not bright at all. And this to me just fixes the overall sound quality to make these a little bit more enjoyable. Again, I personally wouldn't listen to these on a daily basis, but just by doing this simple trick would really help out with the sound experience, from my opinion. Back to you, other TechBarn.
Now myself, looking at these earbuds from more of a regular consumer standpoint, I can say that they do the job very well. You're definitely going to get clear audio, but I will say there's a bit of bass lacking. I wish you could feel the bass a bit more, but that's coming from me, who loves bass. When it came to my own personal experiences using these earbuds, they've been fairly positive. I really like the small footprint when you have them in your ear, and they're pretty discreet. The pocket test. Now, this is something that's very important. When it comes to truly wireless earbuds, you want to make sure that when you put these bad boys in your pocket, they don't bulge out too much. Now, to test that, I've got my Jabra 65Ts to show you guys what the difference is when I put them in my pocket. As you can see, it's not much of a difference. These do bulge a little bit more, but aside from that, they're pretty similar footprint-wise. Another thing I really like about these earbuds is how easy it is to put them back in the case. It's obviously magnetized, and so it just easily plops down, and it's very simple for that matter. Now, one thing I really do like about these is that it does have a little LED indicator to show you the battery of the charging case itself, as well as the battery of the earbuds. And that's something that is a little tiny touch that they added, and I really like that personally. Now, would I pick up a pair of these earbuds myself? I guess you could say the answer is it all depends. When it came to the audio quality side of things, for me, the bass was lacking a little bit. But if that isn't an issue for you, then these should be a good pickup. The small footprint is something that I really like, and I don't like having bulky, truly wireless earbuds. So for that matter, if these had a little bit more bass, personally, I would pick these up. But if you don't mind the bass, not having the bass, then honestly, for $20, these are a really good pickup. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It honestly means the world to us and it helps us out a lot. And if you also like what you saw, you can follow our Twitter and Instagram there to get some more behind the scenes content. This has been Tech Barn, and as always, stay premium.